Tumekuwa tukiangazia story ya Jowie Irungu na kulingana na mahala ambapo tumefikia, tunaamini beyond reasonable doubt that the Jowie Irungu sentencing should be revisited and it should be, the evidence should be gone through again. Tunaamini ya kwamba kesi hii inapaswa kurudiwa tena. Stakabadhi na ushuhuda ambao uliweza kutolewa pamoja na evidences ambayo iliyoweza kuletwa pale inapaswa kuwa revisited. And Jowie Irungu, many have claimed and voted that this man never needed a death sentence. So right now, there is something that we have realized. Two secrets Jowie Irungu may use to successfully challenge the prosecution and his conviction. Yani hizi ni kati ya siri mbili ambazo Jowie Irungu anaweza kuzitumia kuepa hii hukumu na adhabu ya kifo ambayo aliweza kupewa na Lady Justice Grace Nzioka, ambayo ilitolewa ikiwa ni siku ya Jumatano wiki iliyopita tarehe 13. One man by the name Roya is suggesting that Joseph Irungu, also known as Jowie, may have a chance at obtaining his freedom despite receiving a heavy sentence for the murder of businesswoman Monica Kimani in 2018. Jowie, who is 33 years old, was sentenced to death, although Otieno points out that the death penalty is not applicable in Kenya. Otieno argues that Jowie's conviction and subsequent sentence were primarily based on circumstantial evidence, which potentially opens the door for an appeal. He contends that there was no conclusive evidence that definitively proved Jowie's guilty in the murder. Otieno's emphasizes that Jowie can build his appeal on several grounds that the judge found favorable. For instance, the facts utilized in the conviction relied on circumstantial evidence, and there were indications that other individuals were present in the house where the murder occurred. These are the areas that can be thoroughly investigated during the appeal process. Yeah, who are these people who were present during the death of Monica Kimani? Na mbona ni Jowie pekee ambaye anakamatwa? Where are other fingers pointing? Now, furthermore, Otieno highlights certain legal irregularities that could strengthen Jowie's appeal. He notes that there was no identification parade conducted as required by law, and the motive behind the murder was inadequately explained. Jowie was not subjected to an identification parade, and no one positively identified him as the perpetrator. These omissions can serve as additional grounds for the appeal. During the trial, Justice Grace Nzioka handed down 3 sentences as part of Jowie's punishment, ruling out the possibility of a non-custodial sentence. However, the specific details of these sentences were not provided in the given information. Lawyer Willis Otieno believes that Jowie has a chance to secure his freedom through an appeal. He argues that the conviction was primarily based on circumstantial evidence and there were legal shortcomings as such as the absence of an identification parade and an insufficient explanation of the motive, which is a song we have been singing to you day in, day out. What was the motive of this man? Was it money? Was it love? What was it? The fact that the death penalty is not applicable in Kenya further supports the potential for a different outcome for Jowie. Kulingana na wakili lawyer Willis Otieno, anadai ya kwamba Jowie Irungu ana nafasi nyingine katika maisha yake na ana nafasi ya pili iwapo ataweza kuwa na wakili mzuri wa kumwakilisha pale mahakamani na kuweza kudraft ama kuandika appeal letter ambayo inaelezea ya kwamba mbona anaamini yeye apaswi kupewa hukumu ya kifo na ni vipi aswa ataweza kukwepa mtego huu. Ni hayo kwa sasa, usisahau hii ni FM Show KE, mimi ni Felix Mwenda.